Papa Mad. See the way they just carry him. They go. The other day, they just carry him like bundle of firewood.
Are you serious?
Carry him like this for head, they go.
Hey, what are you trying to tell me? The other day I overheard that he said that he wants to become an actor.
An actor?
Imagine, like
Theophilus want to become an actor. Hey, who dash monkey coat?
See the way they bundle him up as a bundle of firewood. Imagine.
He dey even dey cry. You no wan go school. That one concern am. If you like, may go school. If you no like, may no go. I'm sabi. Abeg. I no fit dey here dey look that mama. I be papa.
Big papa, grandfather.
Abeg make we dey go jare.
Self in trouser be.
Obi is a boy.
Big one.
You remember Obi?
Oh yeah, make we dey go.
Abeg.
Theophilus! What are you trying to do? I'm trying to jump inside your mother's grave. What it be like someone do? You want to jump over the fence? What in there? Fence all the man around. If person build the fence, person jump the fence, so we not jump. Go to your class. Go to your class now.
What is happening here?
Thank God. Sir, I caught Theophilus trying to jump over the fence.
Theophilus, you want to jump the fence? Okay, I will tell you that I know how to treat people like. I will give you punishment that befits your crime. Seize that his bag.
What's in there? Make the person build the fence. As an lock gate, and the final door I go take come out, make I go find something I go for belly. I say make I my face my friend. Or we have to come. Will you shut up when the teacher is talking?
Seize that his bag.
As soon, sir.
Seize that bag.
Move your hand.
Theophilus, give him that bag.
I will flog you this thing now. Move your hand. Move your hand.
Follow me. I will give you a punishment that you need to finish in before the next 2 hours. If you don't, you see what I will do to you. Hold that bag till I ask you to give it to him. Follow me.
Come on. Follow me. You want to jump over the fence? I will flog you this thing. Come.
Theophilus!
Come on, follow me.
What are you doing like that? Imagine, for the past 2 hours you've been here. See, just be serious with this work. I'm giving you only but 2 hours to finish this work. Unless, if you didn't finish this work, you not go today. Look at his face.
I don't cut anything. I know they cut anything. Come first me. I don't cut anything. I don't cut anything. I don't cut anything. Everybody go they flog me. Now by force to go to school. After school be son. Go no book. I beg ask them go cut farm. Mutu book one. Caterpillar what I want. they don't finish. As they don't finish now, that's how I go come. I couldn't do waka. I couldn't carry gun. I couldn't do am. Anybody, all the opponents, I couldn't take. Go! I for dodge now. This is a family practice. As I do am like this now, like for bed, or you. There's where you for do am. As I do am, you go back. You go fall. That is how defendants are done. They do. You know how tired it is. Get the crime and go back. Amen. Agula.
Theophilus.
Mama.
Why are you doing this?
What did I do?
Why have you decided to be miserable and useless all on your own? Eh? Everybody in this village knows that I have tried as a mother. God and his angels knows that I have tried as a mother. I've done more than my best for you. Even your late father will bear me witness. Theophilus, why? Can't you see the importance of education? Eh? Why have you decided to be useless for yourself and everyone around you? Theophilus, why? OKEKE. Eh?
See, Mama, leave waiting the right for motor. Enter motor, make motor carry you go where you dey go.
Which motor?
Even if say na ambulance. Or go get the RIP now. When war don't set, even if you see say this motor the right time, on weekend, ebugaga no nala, Mama, you go still run inside that motor just to save your life. Fine, you don't try your own as a mama to me to force me to go to school. Me Kuma, I don't tell you say even if you force me go to school, you no go force me learn. It's only horse you go force to go to river, but you no go feel force that horse to drink water. You don't force me go school. Then my brain will be saying I am the force. The brain just so you can't force the brain. Brain akashiyene what the hene kubaso education na by ganga. Na actor na ya won't be. Actor. As Ejike, my brother and his wife will be actor for Lagos. Now so me want become actor. And if I become actor, ihem ga abandon man. Totora. Ihem ga aba. Mshite go no side ebe ke boko no maka boko koglogo. Ke kpuru ishi kpuru n'otu anya. Mshi na ke boko te mbra puto mudioma shi mudioma banye nerim shim nerim banye elahem banye ulano shi ulano te banye umarom shi umarom pota iboma shi iboma kapu nkume shi nkume ote yawa amasa ihem ga agba ha bo gbagba ihem ga na agba ndo mo na awusra mgba o Shinarambo dedem commando yana dedem Shinarambo Rambo OKEKE enwere foto ka ilile na abali ote ihu nka Shinarambo dedem moti hu to shibre egbe ki ote yebule yelo ote yana agajege ndo mmanụ ote na esoje gị na azụ yari ka elugo na ada kpanda na aga shote yana ime ote na ime fall back ogagido ote ebe akwụsị ote okwu nje ote wepụtala egbe n'ihu ote ọgbaberikwa agbo egbe ka o ji bụ ote demi ote ka o bese eto ya ti akara tụrụ ote gị ndị mmanụ agasarala n'ala obodo atawa aka nka ugbu n'igwe oke nwa si n'ihe ukwu dapụta ote nkapụta ote ada agbim.
Theo, I have told you all I need to tell you. Your life, your choice. Onwere egwu maiva na agụla anyị mgbe anyị rasịkwụnụ. Ọ sị mgbe nne gị na-abara gị mba ga-ewe n'iwe. Mgbe nna gị na-abara gị mba ga-ewe n'iwe. Jisike were nwayọọ n'obi ọcha. Onye ahụrụ n'anya ka na-abara mba.
Mgbe nwa gị chọrọ ịwụ aktọ, eweli iwe. Mgbe nwa gị chọrọ ịwụ bozu, eweli iwe. Jisi ike nọrọ nwayọọ n'obi ọcha. Ego m ga-ebute, ị ga-erikwe ya. Mgbe nwa gị wụ aktọ, otu ka ọ ga na-akwụ isi ọwụ. Ime ote m tụrụ gị ya n'isi ote gbaka tai ta komando yo hey actor we. It shock you, Abby? My dress will shock you. Wait.
You dey make me laugh.
How?
See, I should dress like frog when they shoot catapult leak. Yale me somehow.
Name somehow. See, Pia. I dey hate insult. If you insult me, makachineke kere wona gna. Akamti kanga mago tegishina wilu. Gishina wilu tege baiga lokumba. Wara na abago. Why would you undergrade me like that? Abakwani again. So if I allow you, go to talk to me anyhow. Why you not go laugh me? No, why you not go laugh me? Oh, maybe because me and you still there for this village. You never know my worth. Don't worry. One bentaga my biography film. As I take dress, so Nigerian Movie Actors Association of Nigeria International Cooperated. Now so they take dress. If they dress like this, if they come out, people go to look them. See me now. Just take me out.
They're going to swag lesson.
Why not go be swag
I
nation?
see you out.
You don't know that boy. Waiting be name. That small boy wait tall small, where they average and tall. Junior Pope. Where the Art Mover Association. If Junior Pope dress like this, he himself, he dey come out and reach like this, he dey call himself Swag Nation. Me, as I want start now, my own don't reach here. If I don't enter, I go put to Oyeba. Korean Rose Nime Art Movers Association. Just don't worry. By the time I don't fully become this actor, I go become. If I dey work out for all those, so people go they lift their hand, they go do like this, 2 fingers in the air, and they to me, Theo the actor. Damn you, Theo the actor, me damn you, Theo the actor, me damn you, when you pose them Theo the actors, me damn you. What are you now?
I want to share them you. Mabuko international government officiality. Damn me.
How come down the machine? You international embassy. There's nothing good of you. International embassy. Any government official will go take somebody like you with agbada. Na konkosa yi with the look to hit name again at Bobo. I better come out to make her go show people what I get because I carry swag. Then you.
Look at this man. Me, international government officiality. I cannot go to somewhere with you. Go on working. Let's go to the brother. Now move down. You go working here.
Ogene dimma. Ogene bu angore.
Is our work.
Ofobi.
Oganiru.
Ofobi kwenu.
Oganiru.
The yauna, the yauna. Ofobi.
Oganiru.
Hey. No be small thing no. As we dey play our thing, dey rehearse, dey make ourselves happy. Person waka enter. And na person who know well. His name na Theophilus, the actor.
Tio.
And he say something carry and come. He no just waka come, something carry and come. So I go like to make all of us sit down, hear wetin you want talk. Theophilus, ngwa.
Ngwa wega Tio.
Tio.
The actor.
Theophilus.
Ofobi kelenu.
Oganiru.
Ofobi.
Oganiru. Ofobi.
Na so.
I no wan talk too much because na know me say I no be person wey dey talk too much.
Man of action.
Since that day wey una come my house come carry me go school. Hey, njinji wey jiwezi any mendum. That music wey una play inside my head. The thing still dey ring bell. If I dey sleep, I dey hear am didin boom boom, didin boom boom. The thing refuse to come out. As una carry me go school, na so everybody in the school, people go dey see me like governor. You know say all these are presidents. Oh, una too much, oh. Una too much, oh. Una not too much. Una not too much. As una carry me, they pass. You know say if president pass with the panwupa, people go dey hail them. As una take carry me that, in fact, despite or regardless say una tie me hand and leg. People still they see me like a king. Wow. Because all the reason EJ Gukoro Madu there can you laugh. Now he make I say, no, I go join Una. No matter anything where it go cost me.
That's good.
You know stop me from becoming an actor where I won't be. I still be actor, but I know say Ogele good. I hear say money day for Ogele. People when they play Ogele, they don't buy motor, buy this, buy that. Me I say, if I not play this Ogele, can one more. Now he make I say make I come join Una. I will tell him no. Ofobi. Ofobi. Oganiru. On your side one.
Yeah. Before I go say anything, I say, "Muna clap for yourself." Ofobi. I believe say we don't hear wetin talk. And I know say one word or that we don't accept. Okay, but I no go like make everything conclude for my mouth. Theophilus. Later, I go tell you the things where you need bring for us. And I know about what is but before we continue, make him give us in style, move in style.
Theophilus. Are you mad?
Mama.
What is?
Ma, please. There's no time for quarrel. You know say you like quarrel. Every time you go to quarrel, small thing now. So Mama, you don't the quarrel. I don't know whether your mama train you to quarrel. Obedi hotel, piam. If Langola up.
Stop talking nonsense and tell me why you're shouting my name. Ogini.
Mama Ukwabala. You're my man. But that thing don't happen. You know, say don't wait, don't they tell me, say, be useful, be useful, be useful. Final. I don't decide, say, I want to be useful. Yes.
Hey, thank God. Chuku. Ekene.
Yes.
So, what is the favor?
I want to make you help me. Give me 15,000 naira. I want to use them. Do something where we say, if you see them, hear them. No be person go tell you say make you just the job. All those your song where they sing that time. There's no song where you no go sing for your mom.
So, what is the favor now?
15,000 naira.
15,000.
Yes, senior Hana me anakana. Forget matter. Yes.
Gwano me hear the yarn. Tell me.
Oh, Mama, you go like her.
You will like it. Gwano because
you say even you say. After everything now, I don't enter there. You dey pass for road, see your son inside there. Hey! Oh, Mama, you go praise me. Go say this boy where you gather sense. Where you gather sense. Where you gather sense.
In a is it too much?
Mama, I don't decide say I go join Ofobi Ogene group for this village. I won't join them. I go follow them. They knock Ogene around. So they need 15,000 naira to enter my name for book, for my membership form, for my becoming member. Everything where they calculate, it inside. Even the drink I go give them, it inside that 15,000. Wahana he was lekwe member.
You want to join Ophobia Ogene group?
Yes, ma. At least it's also part of acting.
And you want me to give you 15,000 naira for registration?
Nemo.
Theophilus.
Let me bring your purse.
I don't have 15,000 naira to waste. Which I'm no joke.
Hey, so? What do you talk?
I said I don't have 15,000 naira to waste. And what am I going to do?
Bigger liar. Oh. The lie where you lie now, bigger liar. Which one be saying no get 15,000 naira to waste? I tell you say I want waste some. I tell you say I want waste some. To enter again Ophobia Ogene group na waste. You know how much those boys they make everybody? Everybody I call go, everybody I got call. And me where go there front, if say they knock I go that's my money go feed the pass. Sometimes I have to say me go never take on guy. He go also benediction for the money. Can I ask me you don't have money to waste? Because go and give me money. Can give me money.
Go and give you money. Theophilus, I should be go and give you money. Go and give me money now. Come and collect. 15,000 naira. Makobo 15,000 naira. Do you have it? Do you have 15,000 naira?
Go give me money. Oh.
If you touch me again, I can't get mess up now again. Theophilus, you will not like me. I want one young ones. Matching us.
Here we go.
Theophilus.
I want to match us in Apo. Give me 15,000 naira. They come matching us.
Leave my rapper because also 15,000.
Give me 15,000. I'm a top quagga. I go lose your rapper. I go lose a more.
Theophilus.
I won't come out on when did you?
15,000 naira. Get it. I don't have 15,000 naira to give to you because
all right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you.
bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.